my lovely angels. I'm LashGo. Need a shave, I know. As you saw in the intro, it's another unboxing from eBay. Cars. So let's get stuck into it, eh? Here it is here, one bag. So let's do this. I'm excited. Yeah! Sorry about the shadow. I've already pre-opened it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Alright then. Looks like they're Bugattis. Veyron Bugattis. These ones are the fake Hot Wheels. The screws. That was the blue one. Looks like the door's open. Got the same wheels on them. Alright, let's get them out of this package and have a look closely. Ooh, yeah! Like I said, I apologise for the shadow. The door's open. It's pretty cool. Black interior. Rear tail lights. Messy paint job. Very messy. The wheels are hard plastic with tread on them, if you can see. This is the same but different colour. Those wheels are really thin. At least that paint job's a lot better. Black interior again. Plastic. Both plastic. There they are there, side by side. And I'll get a Hot Wheels one and see the difference. Like I said, I apologise for the shadow. The door's open. It's pretty cool. Black interior. Rear tail lights. Messy paint job. Very messy. The wheels are hard plastic with tread on them, if you can see. This is the same but different colour. Those wheels are really thin. At least that paint job's a lot better. Black interior again. Plastic. Both plastic. There they are there, side by side. And I'll get a Hot Wheels one and see the difference. Alright guys, as you can see they're a lot bigger. They're not 1/64. They're the next size up, so I don't think that they'll fit down the Hot Wheels track, which is a shame, and they're dearer than the Hot Wheels too. These are the fake Hot Wheels Bugattis, and that's the real one. If you want to have a look, I'll quickly show you. The doors don't open up, that's the only thing. There's no tempos at the back. Nothing at the front. Plastic. Plastic tyres too. So that's it there. Well, there you go, they're fairly bigger. Alright guys, remember, subscribe if you're new, please. Hit the bell button so I know that you like my videos. It's important. Comments important too. Tell me which one's your favourite. And so I know that you've come by. So subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell button and comment down below. Alright guys, I'm LashGo. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool mate. Bye. Love yous all.